Soft sardines cooked in a tangy tomato gravy. Basic ingredients but full of flavor. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Here I have taken 14 sardines. They are cleaned and washed. Add salt and mix well. Keep them aside. Then into a mixer jar add 3 diced tomatoes, 5 cloves of garlic. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and blend. The tomato puree is ready. Place a pressure cooker on medium flame. Heat some olive oil in it. Add 5 cloves, 12 black peppercorns, half inch of cinnamon stick. Sorry, it didn't get recorded. 1 chopped onion. We will saute this until the onions turn translucent. Now add the tomato puree. Since some tomato puree was remaining in the mixer jar, I added little water to it and then I transferred it into the pressure cooker. Add 4 small red chilies. Mix well. Add half teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, mix well and let it cook for a few minutes. Add little lime juice. One teaspoon of Goan masala, salt, mix well. Now place the marinated sardines. By the way, if you like this video, do like, hype, share and subscribe. Now I'm adding little olive oil, half red chili, some water, half teaspoon of chili powder, one bay leaf, cover the pressure cooker with the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's ready, don't overmix. Keep the sardines intact. Our Goan sardines in tomato sauce is ready. Serve it with warm rice. This is the kind of simple meal that never disappoints. And yes, this turned out really good. Simple food always wins. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.